Well, good morning, folks. We're going to work on the 49 today, tinkering around to pull the engine out of it before we got weather moving in between 2 and 3. So we're going to get this motor transmission out of this truck and get it put in the shop so that we can go through it, make sure everything's good on it. We're going to work on cleaning out the 49 the rest of the way because we're taking a break from the Impala because we've been shoving Impala videos down your throat. But instead the motor came for the 49, so we're going to pull the motor out of this truck, motor transmission out of this one, so that we can get it ready to go into the 49 Ford.
It's peeing rusty water, is that okay?
Huh?
I pulled one of these hoses and it's peeing rusty water out the bottom, is that okay?
Is it just rusty water?
Looks like it.
Yeah. That's fine. Check out this little score, Harley Davidson belt buckle.
Nice. I got the upper radiator hose disconnected here.
Disconnect the lower. It's gonna piss all over you. You can go through here to get it. Alright, radiator out, fan shroud off. It should be
Same as on the...
Let me get this box out of here. Now, you have to pull the shroud first. They're smaller.
Airbox just don't like me. Alright, radiator's ready to come out, so is the fan shroud.
And you have to pull this box out of the way. See that? I don't know if it's a 7 or an 8, but it's an 8.
8.
Yep, fun one for this. Pull that way. No. More air fittings. It's cool. Check this out.
Oh, nice. Quick disc.
Yep. This just pops out. Oops, sorry.
Cut that harness.
No.
Or just
That's part of
unclip.
the engine harness. You just unclip it.
go.
What?
Said there we go.
Radiator should come straight up. We'll save that. Actually, it's busted. We're not saving it, but
Just double it up.
well, I got all that chain that needs to come through.
All right, keep pulling. There we go.
Ow. Ow, rocks. Ow.
I don't see anything that we're stuck on. Oh, there goes the cup.
Damn it.
Was it full?
Yes, there's a brand new cup of tea. I guess I'm gonna have to fucking pull this damn thing.
Language.
Can't get in here in the back.
No, you're not. You're just chunky.
Yeah.
It didn't hit me, but I was scared. There's stuff in my eye. This is sketchy.
Well, I'll do what I gotta do. I need this engine. Watch yourself. That's not what I wanted it to do, damn it. That's what I wanted it to do. Right there.
Okay. Angry Wiggles.
Angry Wiggles.
Angry Wiggles!
Okay.
I would have preferred the rubber one. That one hurt my ears.
I just need a little bit of room. Push your side forward. All right out.
There she blows.
Eye is useful. This is not going to fire back at me, right?
Yes, you're in danger right there.
Oh, jeez. I don't want to be in danger.
Alrighty, folks. Well, we got the engine and transmission out of this truck. It is 1 Liam power.
Woohoo! Vroom vroom.
But
Powerful engine you've ever seen.
weakest motor what? Yep, there we go. 1992 302. We're going to get it separated from the transmission. I was hoping to be able to use this transmission, but I think this is going to be entirely too long to go in that 49. So we're going to probably be looking for an AOD.
Yeah.
Alrighty folks, we got front clip off. Getting ready to start going through and figure out what needs to come out next. I'll put you back on the time-lapse-ish things and we'll go from there. Alrighty folks, there we have it. The flathead is out. Now we get to clean that up, and my neighbor should be here this afternoon to pick this up. So alrighty, appreciate you. Y'all have a good one. I'll check you later.